Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and make yourself look younger in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From very at the bottom of the screen, we can get started with accessing our photos, either through the camera roll or through our photo gallery. And now let's go ahead and take a look at how to make ourselves look younger. So you're going to upload your picture directly from one of the two options we have right here, and then go ahead and tap on it in this new menu. That's going to open up the picture in editor mode. Now we can get started. So here you're going to have all the edit options such as skin options, hairstyles, and so on. You're going to scroll to the right until you find the option that says age. This is going to enable us to make ourselves look younger. So you're going to click on the age option, and after that you can go and select any of the young options you have right here. You have the young 3, young 2, teen, and so on. You can prefer whichever option you want and go and select for yourself to see how they look. So by selecting one of the options, you can apply it to your photo, and once you have applied it, you can go and click the save option right here in the upper right corner to save it to your device and save the picture into your gallery, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.